Hello everyone, I hope you are having an amazing day. It's a Castella K. Today I'm going to show you how to use chopsticks. Chopsticks has some roles, something like grabbing and lifting up and stirring and cutting or something. And today I'll share how to grab a food with chopsticks. Firstly, I'm going to talk about how to hold it. Now, please hold upper side of one chopstick like a pencil. Upper side of one chopstick like a pencil. Okay, like this. And then please hold the other chopstick at the base of the thumb. And ring finger. Like this. Okay? The base of the thumb and ring finger. Like this. Okay? And then very important point. Please slide the tip of the thumb to a little bit upper side like this. Slide the tip of the thumb to a little bit upper side like this, okay? This is probably a key point. And next, please move just only the upper chopstick with index finger and middle finger, like this. Don't move another fingers, thumb and ring finger and pinky, and the lower chopstick. The lower chopstick and lower fingers are stationary. Okay? I'm gonna have black soybeans for sharing how to grab foods with chopsticks. Wow! It looks very silky and shining. Wow! It looks very beautiful. And beans are very small foods. So if you can grab beans, probably you can grab almost all foods. So I recommend beans for practice. And black soybeans are often served as one of the osechi dishes. Osechi dishes are traditional Japanese New Year foods. But we sometimes have black soybeans in our daily life. Okay, grab it. Like this. Like this. Okay? Like this. Oh, remind you again. The lower chopstick is stationary, and the upper chopstick is moving with index finger and middle finger, like this, and grab foods. Grab a bean, black beans. Like this. Okay? Okay. It tastes comfortably sweet. Black soybeans are usually cooked sweet in Japan, and it's very healthy. So it's very, I'd say it's very good for your snack. Mm. 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 Very nice. Oh, now I can listen to my original song Castella. Castella means not only historical region of central Spain, but also Japanese traditional popular sponge cake. Oh, like this one, this one, this one. Yes, this is Castella. Okay. So if you get interested in these sweets or this song, yeah, please check my other music videos on my channel. And yeah, and thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Mm. Very nice.